Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be using the Design It nail cards. I purchased these quite a while ago and I have been drawing them myself to create some of my designs. So I decided to show you guys one of the ones that I've pulled out. So this is what the cards decided that I was going to do today. So we've got Circus, Gold Leaf, Short Almond and Navy Blue. I'm not using the nail card because I always do my nails on the pointed long tips. I just like to do my nail sets on those. So I will be following these cards today. So the blue I've got, well, it's not really a navy blue, but this one is the one I've got. So it's a Neon Garden Ice Jelly 06 Born Pretty, and then the Moss Wave Jelly I'm using 01, so it's like an off-white. But the blue will be included in me stamping and things. So I'm going to be using my Born Pretty stamping. Got quite a selection of plates. These are all the Moyu London. So I've got 3 Circus plates, and that one I think is typography. And also I've got a CADS one as well because I need that lying. So I have kind of planned out what I'm going to do. So if you've not seen these cards, check over onto Blue Rose's nail channel, because they are good. They're really good, especially if you've got a bit of a block as to what designs to do. So I'm just gonna, I've already gone ahead and painted the nails the way I want them. I need to give them another coat and then I'll be back. Right, so they've all had a top coat now. So following the cards, we had Circus, navy blue, gold leaf, and I always use this size for my nails. So that is what I've done with the design nail cards for today. The cards are really a good idea for themes, for example, because I probably wouldn't have chosen the circus theme to do. And then these ones are ones that I had a bit of a practice with prior to record my video once I'd drawn the cards. So I've mixed them up a little bit, but I think they've met the challenge, and I hope you enjoyed them. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.